It's responsible for your firmness, elasticity, smooth texture, all those things that we said are signs of lost collagen. That's what it's losing.
Collagen's actually a big building block of your muscle too. So if you're having muscle spasm and cramping and stuff like that, it could be because your collagen levels are low.
Well, when I worked out for a week and I got on the...
For a week?
For a week, Lena.
I'll try.
I ate the whole pie.
Lena.
This episode is absolute chaos. Hey guys, welcome back to the AA Skin Based Pod. I'm your host, Lena, licensed esthetician, and today I have Georgia
Davenport, licensed esthetician.
Kristen
Sanborn, licensed esthetician.
and we still have Mr. Eric.
Eric Sanborn, licensed massage therapist.
I think it's so funny that we call him Mr. Eric. I think
We
everyone
do call
in the
him
shop
Mr. Everybody
Eric.
calls him Mr. Eric now.
Even like our clients know you as Mr. Eric because they hear us talking about it and they're like,
That's
huh?
very true. I have a lot of them going, how's Mr. Eric today? I'm like, why is this going
It
around?
reminds me of my grandma. She calls my grandpa either Mr. Brown or Farmer Brown. And I think it's so funny that Mom started calling Eric Mr. Eric. I was like, these are your mama.
Sorry, it's just it works, and we call him Mr. Eric. I guess we don't have enough respect for him to call him Mr. Sanborn, so we just call him Mr. Eric.
I'm glad you don't. That would make me feel really old.
Hey, some people go by it would be like Mr. Kristen or something, so at least it's not like that.
Oh, I know.
Have you heard
I
people
think
call-
that's so weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But maybe that's just, I don't know.
Well, I want to have Mr.
Isn't that
Lena
old?
come on sometime. Mr. Lena is a fire redhead, and lately we've gotten several redhead clients. I had a redhead, one of her acne clients, a week or 2 weeks ago.
Did you hear about this?
And I did his acne microneedling, and he just really flared up red, and I'm like, oh my gosh. And so I think it'd be
I had to go
fun to
pick up
do
my
a
kid.
show that talks about the different skin differences between that we deal with redheads, because their skin is very reactive and it's very different.
Redheads
so
are hard to get
we
numb,
need to have
too.
Mr. Lena come on and
I don't know. If
join us.
He won't be his normal self in
We
front
can
of
get
the camera.
Cam and call them both on here.
Oh my God, it'd be so
Could
much
you
funny.
imagine?
Let's try. We're gonna try that. We're gonna try to get that to happen.
I can-
Get
ASAP
Mr. Georgia and
freaking
Mr.
soon.
Lena on.
He would love to talk about how he's my spray tan artist and my waxer.
He is your spray tan artist.
Dude, okay, so that's another episode I want to get to at some point. We're not gonna hit that too hard. Let's get to today's episode, and today's topic is gonna be collagen.
Did you know that your skin naturally renews itself every 4 weeks? That means those fresh new cells need the right care to make sure that they truly shine. And to keep that radiant, healthy glow, we recommend a customized skincare routine every 4 to 6 weeks. Because consistency is where the magic really happens. Ready to start your skincare journey? Click the link in our description to book your next appointment. Your best skin is waiting.
Let's talk about what are signs of like lack of collagen, or the signs, because we naturally quit producing it after, I think it's like 25, you naturally start going down like 1% a year. And you quit producing
And I know
it.
in a lot of our treatments, when we're trying to explain the treatments, we say, especially microneedling and different than peels, is to stimulate collagen and elastin. Well, this episode is going to be about what does collagen do.
So what are signs of reduced collagen production?
Fine lines,
Wrinkles,
crepey skin.
sagging skin,
Yep.
thinner skin, slower healing. Like if it takes you longer to heal, might be a sign of collagen loss. Like I said, we quit producing collagen. We go down in production of collagen every year that we age. And I think like the biggest sign starts dropping after 25 is I think, look it up, I might be wrong, but I think that's what it is. So what is collagen? Can you say that, Kristen?
It's the building blocks.
It's the building blocks.
You just watched her mind go blank. Like her eyes,
There's nothing in
her
there.
eyes just like went blank. You saw nothing working behind those
I was
things.
like, I know you know the answer to this.
I do. It's the building blocks of your skin. It's the proteins that help to make the skin pliable and flexible. And so as we age, if our skin isn't pliable, then it just sags.
I mean, and I thought this was a cool little tidbit. It makes up 75 to 80% of our skin structure. It's responsible for your firmness, elasticity, smooth texture, all those things that we said are signs of lost collagen. That's what it's losing.
Well, I think clients come in and they're like, I just have aged skin and there's
Yeah.
nothing I can do about it.
Like, I'm just getting
And
old.
I'm just getting old. It's just part of it, which it is. And there's nothing we can do to actually replace the collagen that you've lost, but we can help speed
I
up.
say you will never get back to what you were in your
Yes.
early 20s. But what we
There's
can
no
do
reset button.
is we can help it. We can
Yeah.
help
We can-
it produce.
We can turn up the speed.
Yeah.
Yep. And we can help our own skin
I like that.
stimulate that collagen production. So there's a lot of our treatments that we do, and the best way to stimulate that collagen collagen production is to cause some type of trauma effect. And once you cause that trauma effect, then your skin goes into heal mode. And part of that healing is, producing collagen so that your skin can heal on itself, create new skin.
It's kind of
replacing that.
waking everything up by causing controlled damage.
Oh, I was right. I did put it in my notes. That's why it was in my. It declines about 1% a year after your early 20s.
Yeah.
I didn't put the day, like the year, but I was thinking. I heard that. I saw that somewhere. What helps speed up the loss of collagen? Because even though like we lose it as we age, there's things that we do that will also like make us look older faster.
For sure. Well, it's like smoking versus microneedling. Smoking is gonna make you age a lot quicker, whereas microneedling is gonna make you age a lot slower.
Yeah. A sun
Sun is a big one.
Sun is huge. Not only does it produce pigmentation, that's a pain in the butt to get it go away.
Well,
but
it's the UV rays. They're going in and causing DNA.
Have you guys ever
damage,
seen
which
the
is-
like farmers who show their legs versus
With
like their
truckers?
arms?
I use that picture all the time.
Truckers.
Yes.
Yeah. It's like look up before and afters, or if
Yeah,
we can
Google
insert
befores
them,
and
like
afters.
it's crazy.
What
Yes.
the sun does to your
It's not just a
skin.
tan. It's not just some freckles. It does a lot more.
Yeah,
But I could go in deep on this because I don't think it's just the sun. I also think it's what we ingest in our bodies and all
sure.
the oils in our foods.
Yeah.
But we can get on that rabbit hole another day.
Your
No,
diet,
don't get her in the
your
rabbit hole.
diet is a big one too.
Because I'm
Overall
into the whole
lifestyle.
cannon, homestead, and rabbit hole right now. I'm going to have a milk cow
Lena
and meat
eats
chickens.
rabbits
We
and squirrel.
There's nothing wrong with that.
You kill your own food. You know where your meat comes
You do
from.
know, at least you know
You
in the
know-
backyard.
Yes.
You know where your meat comes
Just got
from.
to make sure you look at the liver first. Make sure there's nothing
Well,
wrong
let me
with
tell you
that.
what. I don't clean them and I don't process them. My hubby does that. And
Mr.
he
Lena
can
does
handle
that?
Mr.
Yes.
Lena.
He's. What's the show? He's not pine. He's my pioneer man. What's that show?
Little House on the Prairie.
No, honey. Duck Dynasty.
Duck Dynasty.
Why was that? I have been watching that so hard. I don't know why that wouldn't come to my head.
Maybe that's where, why
Okay,
your
so
accent's so
let's
thick.
get
Oh
back
my
on subject.
gosh.
Another
We
part
talk about that cornbread.
Another part of your diet
No
that can
cornbread,
really
baby.
cause the collagen to break down is sugars. Sugars is going to attach to that protein and cause glycification in the skin.
We talked
and
about
so
that a couple
we
weeks
had
ago.
talked about that you can go back and watch an episode a couple times ago that we were talking about the sugars. And so even sugar is my favorite food, I think. But
It's our favorite food group.
it is
my
it's
favorite
food
group.
group. But when you back off on that sugar, then you're not breaking down that collagen as fast. So cut back on the sugar, and that's going to help with your collagen. Now, some of the ways to replace collagen, Lena,
I want one more thing to put for
okay.
is stress. Stress is a big anti-ager. You always know, like it's a big anti-ager. So
You mean it ages you? It doesn't.
that's what I
Stress
meant.
ages
Yeah,
you.
it's a big ager.
well, let's see what
Ager?
Mr. Eric
I don't
has
know
to
what the
say
right
on that
word for that
subject.
is, but
Mr.
it's
Eric,
but-
On
This
stress?
episode is
Stress.
chaotic.
Stress is not an
Yes.
anti-ager. It's
No,
going to
it's
age you.
an ager.
Yes.
This episode is absolute chaos.
Okay. Well, let's hear Mr. Eric's take on this,
On the stress part?
on the stress part and the collagen.
Oh, yeah. Well, first off, stress, it ages you. I mean, look at me. I'm 20 years old, so.
Yeah.
No.
6 kids and 20
but
years
yeah,
old.
collagen's actually a big building block of your muscle, too. So if you're having muscle spasm and cramping and stuff like that, it could be because your collagen levels are low.
Or you know.
I actually didn't know
I had
that.
no idea.
Well, collagen helps soften the tissue in your joints. So if you are that's why when you have a lot of arthritis, it's good to add a collagen supplement to, like a collagen powder to your drinks to help rebuild that cartilage in your joints so that you're able to at least get some type of relief and those things move better.
Well, I think that's a
Yeah,
good
I
thing to
wanted to
talk
talk
about
about
is the
that.
difference between
Supplements.
like powdered collagen versus your skin and like your body creating collagen.
I would say it works. You'd have to like work it together. Like a lot of stuff, you can't just ingest it and be like, oh, it's gonna do it for me.
Yeah.
You know? Especially when it comes to like the skin on your face and that kind of stuff. Like ingesting it would probably like boost what we're doing in the treatment room.
Yeah, but also drinking a drink of collagen or a powdered packet of collagen is not
Because
going
we
to
like lose so much in our digestive tract.
Yeah, but it's not
anyway.
going to give you the same results as
Yeah.
microneedling. It'll help your body in other ways, but that's not the same as a
Or doing more of a
microneedling session.
natural source of collagen,
Yeah.
which little Miss Lena Homemaker over here.
Yeah.
Bone broth.
I want to learn how to make my own bone broth too.
I come from that generation where we made our own bone broth. Bone broth and like beef broth, they're not quite the same.
Yeah.
And so when you're looking at bone broth, and you can buy bone broth at the store, and I mean, I love making vegetable soup and stews and stuff with the bone broth because you are getting that collagen. And the way to tell if your collagen or if your bone broth is good, especially if you make it yourself, is when you refrigerate it. If it hardens and it's kind of like gelatin-like. If it has a lot of gelatin, then you have some great your collagen is going to be better than if it just stays liquidy. And so that's a good. I think bone broth is one of the best sources of collagen.
Yeah.
Collagen powders are great, but they have more of a tendency to just go ahead and pass through your digestive tract. And so when
Doesn't
you're looking at the
absorb quite as
liquids,
much.
try to find the natural sources of collagen versus the powders if you can.
Let's talk about what are some habits that we could change to help support collagen, and then we'll get on to like skincare we can add to help support collagen. So like some habits we can do is hydration is a big one. I think that's big on like anything.
Yeah.
Protein-rich diet and ingesting antioxidants like berries, sleep and stress management, and limiting sun exposure. That is a big one.
I think proteins is a big thing. If you are on an all vegetarian diet, you need to be able to add some type of outside protein to your diet because you're not getting those proteins that can be those building blocks that your collagen needs.
Well,
You know, when I worked out
bone-
for a week and I got on the...
for a week.
For a week, Lena.
I worked out for a week. I had this whole workout plan set, but I made it a week. But I kept my food going, a high protein food. My hair was growing so fast.
Yeah.
My nails,
Yeah.
I was getting my nails done every 4 weeks, but then I had to go to every like 2.5 weeks
This
to
is
get my
2
nails
weeks.
filled. So protein makes a big difference,
Big difference
in
in
your
your skin.
body.
Bone broth is higher in protein than
Yes.
traditional.
So next time, think about that. If you want to, with your vegetable soup, noodles, whatever you want to cook it in bone broth instead of,
Which high protein is like a whole trend right now.
Oh, it's a whole fad.
But yeah.
yeah.
Which I mean, I get.
And if
the
you
fad.
need a bone broth recipe,
Don't ask
let
me.
me
I
know.
haven't learned it yet.
I
learned it
come
my
from
mama.
that generation. I got all that. We would,
I need to learn how to make bone
we would
broth.
take bones
You need to
and
come
just
over
cook
and-
broth
I do.
out
We
of
need to
them.
have a whole day.
We'll make some food. I made an apple pie from scratch, talking about about sugar.
I'll try.
I ate the whole pie.
Lena,
It took a couple days, but
that's why I
the
didn't
whole
get
pie.
any pies because you ate it all before it got to my house.
I did not eat all of it. Like other people did have a couple, but I had the majority.
I want
of
to try
the
one of your
pie.
crawfish pies.
Oh, it's so good.
We'll eat crawfish pie.
You
and
eat the
squirrels.
crawfish potato soup. That was so good. All right. Some skincare ingredients that really help with collagen. Retinols. That
Yes.
is like gold. Like that's the top.
Think
Vitamin-
of retinols as
yeah.
a boot camp for your.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like I tell a lot of clients when they first come in, we need to, your skin's. You're having a lack of collagen. You just want to really get that skin started on a journey. Well, then we have to go through a boot camp, and a lot of times that
Well, and
boot camp
sometimes it's
starts
good
with.
to start retinol before your treatments.
Yeah,
Yes,
helps
the
strengthen
retinol
your
before your
skin.
treatments to get that kickstart so you can get the most out of your treatments. And then usually we start your skincare journey with, a peel or something. I know that you might want to just ease into it with, just starting with something small, but you're going to make most progress if you start with something big that's going to like wake up your skin, go through a boot camp.
You'll probably go through a
and then-
purging phase and
Yes.
which Skin Better Science is really good about that because their retinol. I haven't really had anyone go through like a whole purging phase and a whole get used to it phase. Like their retinol is so good. And then next is vitamin C. Vitamin C's are really great for this. You'll have some that are stronger than others. You got 3 different forms of vitamin C, honestly. But then you also want to do peptides and sunscreen.
Sunscreen's
Sunscreen
going to
is
be
a
your
big
fest.
one.
Yes.
That is non-negotiable. That is huge.
I think
That's your
sunscreen is
preventative.
before retinol, yeah, because it's preventative.
Yeah, and your sunscreen needs to be a mineral-based sunscreen.
But you can't start retinol without sunscreen.
No,
Yep.
yeah, you can't.
If you're gonna do retinol,
they,
do
they go
sunscreen.
together.
Yeah, your retinols and your night creams and your anti-agings are going to cause you to be more sensitive to the sun. So be prepared. Vitamin C's are to be used in the morning. Your retinols in the evening, because if you use a retinol during the day, the sun can actually deactivate it. Yeah. And so make sure that you're using the right types of products at the right times of the days, and you have to use a moisturizer too, because your retinols and your vitamin C's are going to dry your skin out because they're going through that workout phase, and then you need to hydrate for recovery time. Yeah.
All right, so let's just recap here. Collagen loss is natural. It happens. It's a part of life. But what was the analogy you used? You can slow it down or something like that?
We can't. There's no reset button but we can slow it down.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's manageable. We can help you. You don't need everything. You just need the right thing. You just need to be consistent about what you're doing.
I think consistency is key.
Yep. That's key to everything.
Yeah.
When it comes to
And I have a
skin.
question.
Working out for 1 week.
Shut up, Georgia.
Working out for 1 week and our CrossFit.
But it's the same about what we do with our skin. Like using
I know,
using retinol and
okay.
sunscreen for 1 week isn't really going to do
It's not going to do it.
much.
This
You
has
know
to be a
what?
lifestyle.
I have a very active lifestyle. I just don't
I know.
work
I'm just
out.
kidding.
Yes. I want to know if crawfish are sources of protein.
I just found out yesterday that we have
I would
crawfish in
guess so.
Missouri. I had no clue. I live.
Yeah, I'm all the little holes that
I
you
must
see in the
live a
mud.
really sheltered life.
Yeah, we have them in Missouri. We got
And Lena
water.
knows how to cook them, so
I found that out. I'm coming over for dinner for
That's
our
fine.
crawfish pie.
I guess you sucked
I
their little
made
heads
dinner
out or
for
something. I
Mom
don't know.
She
last night. She
doesn't eat 'em
stopped
like that,
by.
though.
No, I don't. Colin does though. Colin sucks the heads out.
Yeah.
He loves
Sorry.
crawfish. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Thank y'all for hanging out with us, and we'll see y'all next week.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Bye.
I don't know why I turned my head to say bye. I did. I said bye.
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 I said bye.